Let's discuss the liver primary channel. The liver primary channel begins at liver 1 on the lateral corner of the nail of the big toe. This point is reached by a small branch of the GB channel, which separates from the gallbladder primary channel on the dorsum of the foot at GB41, the foot yin-yang connection of the third grade circuit. The external pathway runs proximally between the first and second metatarsal bones, ascends anterior to the medial malleolus, then crosses the spleen channel at spleen 6, on the medial aspect of the lower leg, ascends the medial aspect of the leg towards the knee anterior to the spleen channel, continues along the medial aspect of the thigh to the pubic region where it passes spleen 12 and spleen 13, circles the external genitalia, ascends the lower abdomen, passing REN 2, REN 3, and REN 4, obliquely traverses the abdomen to liver 13 at the free end of the 11th rib and to liver 14 where the external pathway terminates. At liver 13, the channel enters the abdomen, marking the beginning of the internal pathway. It circles the stomach, connects with its pertaining Zhang organ, the liver, and its paired Fu organ, the gallbladder, penetrates the diaphragm, spreads in the lateral hypochondrium and thoracic region. The channel then ascends along the posterior aspect of the trachea to the throat and nasopharynx and connects with the eye system and the brain. It crosses the forehead and ascends to the vertex where it connects with the extraordinary vessel Dumai at Du20. An internal branch descends from the maxillary sinus to the cheek and circles the inner surface of the lips. An internal branch emerges from the liver, penetrates the diaphragm, disperses in the lung, and meets the lung primary channel. This is the deep yin-yin connection, closing the first circuit of the nutritive qi. This branch further connects with the pericardium primary channel beneath pericardium 1, hand-foot pairing of the third grade circuit, yin axis, Jueyin. Clinical importance of knowing the liver primary channel. If it is an exterior condition, there would be headaches, dizziness, blurred vision, tinnitus, fever, and spastic extremities. If it is an interior or Zhangfu organ situation, there will be distension, fullness and pain in the costal region, tightness and fullness in the chest, abdominal pain, vomiting, jaundice, diarrhea, Shan disorder, enuresis, urinary retention, yellow urine. Connections of the liver primary channel. With the gallbladder primary channel, connection is foot yin-yang pairing of the third grade circuit. Location, GB41 to liver 1 on the foot. Circulation is circadian according to the organ clock. Importance, exterior-interior relationship. Then it also connects to the pericardium primary channel paired according to the 6-channel theory, the hand-foot pairing, Jueyin, yin axis of the third grade circuit. Location, liver to pericardium. An internal branch originating in the liver penetrates the diaphragm and connects with the pericardium primary channel beneath P1. Circulation is non-circadian. That means it's not according to the organ clock. Importance, above-below relationship. With the lung primary channel, the liver is connected via the deep yin-yin connection. Location, liver to the lung in the thorax. An internal branch originating in the liver penetrates the diaphragm and disperses in the lung to connect with the lung primary channel. Circulation is circadian according to the organ clock. Importance, the lung primary channel receives part of its nutritive qi from the liver primary channel. This is the first circulation of the yin qi. Connections with Zhangfu organ systems, stomach, liver, gallbladder, and lung. So the liver primary channel points affect the inner aspect of the leg, abdomen, hypochondrium, throat, and head. Important distal points for headaches from liver yang rising. Invigorate blood, especially in the uterus. Several important points for urinary problems. Several important points for genital problems. The liver channel, this is a recap. The liver channel starts on the big toe and runs upwards on the dorsum of the foot and medial malleolus, and then up the medial aspect of the leg. It then reaches the genital region, curves around the genitalia, and goes up to the lower abdomen. Proceeding further up, it curves around the stomach and enters the liver and gallbladder. It then continues to ascend, passes through the diaphragm, and branches out in the hypochondrial and costal region. From here, it ascends to the throat and reaches the eye. Running further upwards, it goes to the top of the head to meet the governing vessel.